Well, that's not good. That's the hand truck I need to help me move, and both tires are flat. They are so dry, I won't hold air anymore. So, to Harbor Freight, get some tires. All right, top secret mission here. What is today? It's Wednesday, hump day. Yeah. So last day of January, I think, is 31st. Is it? Is it? Yeah, 31st, last day of January. Wow. Anyway, fiance's had kind of a rough day at work, so I am on a mission to go surprise her. Hopefully I can beat her home, and when she comes pulling in, her man will be there. Sorry I haven't gotten anything posted yet. I went home all weekend. Spent yesterday dealing with my realtor, where I'm looking to buy a house, trying to find a realtor here, and dealing with the mortgage process. So anyway, as soon as I get a free minute, I'll try to get something up. I know tomorrow's going to be busy too. I'm going to have to go grocery shopping. I got to get to Sam's, get some animal food and that. My dad's coming down for the weekend. Fiance's coming over for the weekend. So it's going to be kind of busy. So anyways, apologize for not getting something up sooner. I'm still trying to work on my video for the SS, my rebuttal to what's his name, saying that it's a failure, Doug DeMuro, whatever. I'm still working on that one too. Anyways, man, I got a little bit of a drive trying to get there. See ya. Looking good. Attic's cleared out. Oh, did I say it was looking good? Oh my god, moving is a mess. I got crap freaking everywhere. I cannot even function in here, and I've already taken a couple loads to the storage unit. So a lot of love to my dad and my fiance. Came over this weekend, helped me get all kinds of crap out of that attic. You wouldn't even believe. You couldn't. This entire area through here was just mounds of stuff. She was actually freaking out over how much stuff I have. A lot of it's empty boxes saved from stuff like my computer and that. Because I knew this wouldn't be my retirement thing if the computer, would have made it. Or I didn't know when I'd leave, so I kept a lot of that stuff. Good shipping containers to put it back in the original stuff. So I'm just a little overwhelmed right now. It's so much stuff going on. I got to figure out all these boxes and start. Oh my god! And I haven't even touched the garage, guys. Look. Man, I got all my cleaners, sealants and stuff, bicycle parts, car stereo stuff. Oh my god, so much stuff. I can't even begin to think about packing this up. But I ain't gonna miss this supersized garage. This thing is absolutely huge. You look most garages only had that much room on there, but look, I got the entire shelf here extra. Then look, here's the Trans Am, which is in a short car. I have shelving in all this room because this is side entry. It's really long, and it's stupid wide. I love this garage, man. I'm gonna miss this. I guarantee you, whatever I end up in is gonna be no wider than where that door ends, and it's just gonna be just wide enough to get two damn cars in here. and I'm gonna be probably just gonna have to come up with money and build a second garage. Something real, not like my storage stuff outside. But, yeah, it's getting a bit overwhelming, but the payoff's gonna be good when it's done. The Flying Ace, baby. Yeah. Alright, so what? I collect Snoopy stuff. And cars. Bikes. Drones. Anyways, how is everybody, man? It's Monday night. I am working diligently to get everything packed. Or a lot of stuff, as much as I can pack. And get it run to the storage unit. It doesn't seem like I get anywhere. I mean, I used to have 2 curio cabinets here. I used to have stuff all along there. I even had some stuff here. These things here are extra. I'm trying to sell some of these Hess trucks, but look at the mess. Oh my God, it just doesn't seem to... It seems like I know I'm getting rid of stuff, but it just seems like there's more. It's like a bigger mess. Anyway, man, I got to pack and run some of this stuff to storage. Oh man, guys, I ain't gonna lie, man. I am tired. It's after 11 o'clock at night. I'm just bringing over some stuff now that I packed. I need to get this done and go to bed. I need to start getting to the gym. I'm putting on some weight. Oh, what is it? Wednesday morning. So what is it, like the 6th or 7th? Like 12:30 in the morning. Not usually here at this time, but man, I gotta work out some stress and really haven't been here. I need to get on a better schedule to just do stuff, you know. Using the moving as an excuse, but I gotta get my sleep schedule set. But here at the Planet and get my workout on and just try to get rid of a little steam. Like I said, you know, this whole moving and everything's a bit stressful, so let's get my workout on. Workout's done, feel good, nice shower, time to go home. Good Wednesday, everyone. On my way to the fiance's house again. Man, what a day. Started out with like freaking tornado warnings and bad weather, but kind of clearing up now, just a light rain. Some reason she wants to go look at some damn furniture. We don't even have a house yet. Kind of doing this backwards, but makes her happy. We'll go look at some furniture. Normally I wouldn't undo all this thing just to take a quick trip to the store, but man, I've been itching to drive the Camaro for a while, and it's gonna be raining all weekend, so take all this off and then put it back on. It's so freaking loud. Oh my God, I love it. All right, Thursday, February the 8th. Hope you enjoyed the sweet a 5-minute drive to Walmart, get some cat litter. Woo, exciting. But necessity of life, you know. I forgot it last time I went shopping the other day. So, it is what it is. Anyways, got a weekend packed full of stuff, so tune in later. I should have something posted maybe Monday night or Tuesday, see how it goes, and try to get the weekend vlog posted. And anyways, where am I at? Got a few subscribers here the past couple days. Thank you very much. Definitely appreciate each and every one of you. Definitely striving to bust that 1,000 subscriber mark. It's gonna be a little hard trying to get some good content right now with the move and everything going on, but we're working on it. Oh yeah, look at this putz. Had to freaking pass me and go. And he doesn't know how to turn on a light. Anyways, again, thank you everybody for the support. My subscribers that have been around for a while, the new subscribers, very much appreciated. Small channels really need to break that 1,000 mark to prove ourselves to YouTube. So, again, thank you very much, and we will see you on the next video.